Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sushma Tiwari, working as scientist at Rajmata Vijay Raje Scindia Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Gwalior. I am going to present the work done at our lab for morphological, physiological and biochemical trait analysis for Fusarium wilt disease using gene-based markers in Desi and Kabuli genotypes of chickpea. Chickpea is a self-pollinated diploid species having genome size 740 megabase pair. It is third most important food legume in world, and it can be divided into Kabuli and Desi type based on its seed morphological. The important fungal disease is wilt, and it is caused by fungus Fusarium oxysporum. Changes in quality of soluble sugar, lipid peroxidation, proline, and generation of active oxygen species are common event of stress as well as non-stress genotypes. The use of molecular markers closely linked to wilt disease genes can eliminate the need of creating artificial epiphytotic condition, and they are also time saving. So that's why we have done here morphological, biochemical as well as molecular markers based analysis to differentiate Fusarium wilt resistant as well as susceptible genotypes of chickpea. So material here we have taken 28 Desi chickpea and 15 Kabuli chickpea, and the material was received from Sihor Agriculture College. And these are the morphological characters we have considered for the current study. Then these are the molecular markers we have used, total 15 molecular markers having RAPD, SCAR, ISSR as well as SSR markers. Then biochemical analysis we did for proline, sugar, MDA and hydrogen peroxide. This is correlation coefficient among morphological traits. So here that yellow background highlights the most significant positive correlation between yield attributed traits. So this is diversity analysis and cluster formation between morphological traits what we studied in chickpea genotypes. So here different clusters has been formed based on the performance of Desi and Kabuli chickpeas. Other than that, we have also studied leaf area index and chlorophyll content. So these graphs represent the relation between leaf area at 60 day, 30 day as well as total chlorophyll content. So biochemical analysis was done for lipid peroxidation, soluble sugar, proline and H2O2. So the mean value of accession falling in each cluster was represented in generating dendrogram for all the accession, and it was forming around 8 groups of Desi and Kabuli chickpea genotypes. And expression analysis profiling was also studied for these biochemical traits. PCR amplification was carried out between Desi and Kabuli chickpea genotypes, and this gel picture is representing gel of ISSR markers used in the study. And then we have done UPGMA based cluster analysis using Power Marker and Venga software. And here also Desi and Kabuli chickpea as well as the resistant and sensitive wilt resistant and sensitive genotypes form diverse cluster representing the major diversity between Kabuli as well as Desi chickpea for Fusarium wilt diseases. So this is the summary and conclusion of current study. The number of branches per plants were significantly and positively correlated with number of pods per plant and number of seeds per plant. The concentration of proline, sugar, MDA and H2O2 was significantly higher in Fusarium wilt susceptible genotype JG62. Molecular screening was done. Total 55 alleles were identified by molecular screening, and the genetic relationship between chickpea genotypes based on UPGMA was from 4 distinct clusters, and these resistant genotypes can further be used in hybridization program to develop more advanced line. So thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for listening the presentation.